for the GOAT Award here, teams. Spectators, let's give them a nice round of applause. They made it this far. They came in hot, they showed up, they showed out. Now we just got to award a GOAT for one of them. Off we go here, team. GOAT in 3, 2, 1, send it.
One-on-one here.
Ooh, he had it back up. Lewis said, I'm taking this trophy home. Do not play with me. Let me just go back, so I'm taking it for the Coast Guard. Lewis Dodgeball. You can also catch the ball, Lewis. He said, I'm coming in hot! Ooh, go get him, girl! Oh!
There she goes! There she goes! Yes! The GOAT Award winner right here, ladies and gentlemen! Yes! Wow! Ladies and gentlemen, the Coast Guard Academy right here, representing Mia, the GOAT Award winner for 2025, the LA Fleet Week Dodgeball Competition, presented by Fox Sports. Mia, what led to this terrific competition down here?
All of my shipmate support. We ran on this, we made it underway, but I got my support.
Absolutely. Now listen, it was a fierce competition out here. Obviously, you were competing against other branches. What do you want to say to all your other brothers and sisters out here, sister branches?
Thank you for all your support. Thank you for your service and everything that you do.
And also, I won this. Hey, give it up one more time for Mia, ladies and gentlemen. That's how we do it. All right, Mia, I'm gonna have you help me with something here. Now, if I can get all of my team captains to line up right here, please, right in front of me, facing the tent. Team captains, facing the tent right here against the back of the stage. All right. Now, ladies and gentlemen, you see these team captains up here. And yes, I was watching, our producer Laurie was watching, we even had some of the video crew watching, people were telling me things. I got like 1,000 text messages. Here's what I would like you to do, because you all were down here, boots on the ground, watching the competition. All right? So you please tell me, when I put my hand over the team captain whose team you feel brought the most team spirit, holler for that winner, okay? You can only vote, like Highlander, there can only be one, all right? So do you think, even though Mia, Team Coast Guard Academy, got the GOAT Award, do you think their entire team should win the Spirit Award? All right, Harper's Ferry, Team Navy right here. How do you think they did? Make some noise. Is it, what was it, ball what?
Ballologist.
Ballologist. Oh, the ballologist. I like that. Again, as a testis cancer survivor, I like that. Team Navy, the ballologist. Do you think they get it? Oh, look. When you got somebody holding a chair, you know that's some team spirit right there. This is true. This is true. The Marine Corps Mohawks right here make some noise. Oh. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's all right. And you know them right here. We're right here in front of the Battleship Iowa. Give it up for Team Battleship Iowa. Battleship. All right. Team Navy. Team Odin. Mia, I feel like we need to narrow it down to 2, Mia. You know what I mean? Like, I feel like 2. Yeah. I was kind of thinking that. So we're right around here. All right, now listen for me. Ladies and gentlemen, only scream for one team. Make some noise here. All right, hold. Right here. Okay, right here. Remember? Right here. Right here. Right here. Harper's Ferry. Coast Guard Academy. I'm sorry, ladies and gentlemen, the Coast Guard Academy is getting the Team Spirit Award for the 2025 Dodgeball competition presented by Fox Sports. Show them some love, ladies and gentlemen. Show them some love.